Tired of transaction fees eating into your profits? In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to add processing fees in Stripe, boosting your bottom line. First, understand that there are generally two approaches: adding a surcharge to the customer's bill or deducting the fee from your payout. Let's start with surcharges. While Stripe doesn't have a built-in feature to automatically add surcharges, you can easily implement this manually. Navigate to the settings section of your Stripe dashboard. Here's the key: calculate the percentage fee you want to add onto your products or services to cover your Stripe fees. For example, if Stripe charges 29% plus 30 cents per transaction, factor that into your pricing. When creating products or setting prices within Stripe, ensure the listed price already includes this surcharge. This way, the customer sees the total price upfront. Now, let's briefly touch on deducting fees from your payout. This is usually the default. Stripe automatically deducts its fees before transferring the remaining balance to your bank account. You can view a detailed breakdown of fees for each transaction within your Stripe dashboard, so you always know exactly what you're paying. Adding processing fees to your Stripe transactions doesn't have to be a headache. Remember to factor in fees when setting your prices, providing clarity for your customers and protecting your profits.